Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These cookies are so yummy with a refreshing flavor of lemon, so here's how to make them. In a whisking bowl, beat 150 grams of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar and zest from 3 lemons. Add in 1 egg and 60 ml of fresh lemon juice and continue beating. Add approximately 3½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. It's better to add the flour gradually while kneading. Take pieces from the dough, roll them into balls and cover with icing sugar. Place the balls on a parchment-lined baking tray. Bake for 25 minutes in an oven preheated at 170 degrees. After cooled down fully, dust the cookies with icing sugar. Decorate as desired and serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!